Hi, want to know how to clear app cache and data on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, open Settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Apps. Click on it, and on this app list, you would need to find the application where you would like to clear the cache and data. So, for example, I would like to find here the Galaxy Store, and now we would need to scroll down and go to this tab named Storage. Click on it, and here, as you can see, we can find information, how many data weights, how many cache takes, and here we can see these two buttons which will help clear them up. So firstly, let's clear the cache. I'll click on this button and you can see how the cache has immediately been deleted. And now if you would like to clear the data, click on this button on the left edge and click delete. And that's it. We have successfully cleared data and cache on our phone. You can do it with every application that you think may take too much storage on your phone. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.